because you might recall that during Johnny Depp's time filming Pirates of the Caribbean Dead Men Tell No Tales, he had Amber Heard with him and she smuggled some dogs in that she wasn't supposed to due to laws in Australia.
Amber is so done. The FBI is taking her down for violating the court rules in Australia. Holy smoking cow, this is going to be a tough one for Amber to get out of, considering that this is the FBI we're talking about. During Johnny's filming for a movie in Australia, Amber smuggled a few dogs from the US to Australia and wasn't charged with any lawsuit. But now the tables have turned, and she has lost the defamation case to her husband, Johnny Depp. And now the FBI also wants her to answer. To know more on the matter, watch till the end. In a post that surfaced online, unsealed documents were revealed where Amber clearly stands on the accused counts for smuggling dogs on Australian soil. Additionally, why did Amber Heard insist on denying in court that she became ill at Coachella during the defamation case she was in with her husband, when in actuality, she was obviously attempting to conceal that she was doing drugs? The meta-evidence that the Australian government convicted her guilty of smuggling animals into the nation a week prior to this incident and placed her on a 1-month good behavior bond supports this. But from any standpoint, this behavior does not appear to be effective. Just ask anyone. Amber is simply too caught up in her own loop of lies, and now the FBI is also finally holding her accountable for all kinds of heinous crimes she's committed and gotten away with, just because she always had Johnny to back her up.
Put my makeup on and went to the premiere with him and walked the red carpet with him, and I remember
And of course, fans have quite a lot of feedback they'd like for Amber to know. Even if Amber doesn't read what the general public has to say, we surely have it on us. At least a few fun ones for you guys to take a look at. One of the many users tweeted on Twitter, "I just had a turd stain fan call me a liar because of the UK judgment, and I provided them with evidence and they called me delusional. You can't make this up." Even with the proof, these psycho people still support her. While another one tweeted, "Not all monsters were 3-ton reptiles with poisonous breath. Many wore human faces." So where exactly does the FBI and Australian government stand on Amber's case of smuggling animals? The FBI could provide support to Australian police as they look into allegations that Amber Heard lied in court 6 years ago in Queensland. An ex-special agent for the agency told Law and Crime that since all the pertinent witnesses live overseas, it is routine practice for Australian investigators to communicate with their American counterparts. The department's investigation into possible perjury is related to information provided by a former employee of Depp during his 2020 UK libel case against the Sun tabloid. In London, Amber Heard had urged him to lie under oath after she transported the dogs into Queensland in a private plane. Depp's former estate manager, Kevin Murphy, stated to the court. Murphy has declined to comment further, but later verified to dailymail.com that he had been called by the FBI and had agreed to give Australian authorities a witness statement. This is a fair shot warning for Amber to gather her lawyers because a war is coming. And this time the FBI will be leading the battalion. That's all for today, guys. Do like and subscribe to the video. We'll see you again really soon.